Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is the P block elements, group 14th group elements, 11th chapter, chemistry first year English medium. In previous class we discussed about the 14th group, or today discuss about the new chapter, that is the 14th group. But in previous class we discuss about the 13th group elements or 30A group elements, that is also known as a boron family. That is the general characters of the boron family or 30A group elements. Remaining another one, borax bead test, preparation of diborane. Next remaining another one, no, structure of diborane. But today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is the P block elements, group 14, 11th chapter, chemistry first year English medium. What is P block elements? The differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called P block elements. The differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called P block elements. Third A to 7th A and 0 group elements also called as a 40 P block elements. Third A to 7th A. Third A to 7th A and 0 group elements also called as a P block elements. That is, here is the 14th group elements or 4th A group elements. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements belongs to 4th A or 14th group elements. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. Carbon C, silicon Si, germanium Ge, tin Sn, it is also known as the stannous. Next one Pb, lead. Those elements belongs to 4th A or 14th group elements present in the P block of the periodic table. Present in the P block of the periodic table. That is also known as a 14th group elements or 4th A group elements or carbon family. Once again, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements belongs to 4th A or 14th group elements. Those elements present in the P block of the modern periodic table as a carbon family or 14th group elements. The general outermost electron configuration of the 4th A group elements is NH2NP2. NH2NP2. That is the outermost valency electron configuration is the NH2NP2. Here is the number of s orbital. N means that the number of s orbital exists the 2 electron. Remaining n is the number of p orbital consists the 2 electron. So outermost total valency electrons are 4 electrons. The outermost valency electrons are 4 electrons. That the total outermost valency electrons equal to the group number. Which group? Here is the 4th A group elements. Total outermost, how many electrons are present? 4 elements. 4 electrons present in the outermost cell of the 4th A group elements, that equal to the group number. Which group? 4th A or 14th group elements. Next one, elements name, atomic number. Next one, electron configuration. First one, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements. Next one, carbon atomic number 6, silicon atomic number 14, germanium atomic number 32, tin atomic number 50, lead atomic number 82. So here is the electron configuration. Carbon atomic number 6, electron configuration, helium atomic number 2, 2s2, 2p2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. That is the carbon electron configuration. Next one, silicon atomic number 14, neon atomic number 10, 3s2, 3p2. 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. That is the silicon atomic number 14. Next, germanium atomic number 32, argon 18, 3d10, 4s2, 4p2. Next one, tin, krypton atomic number 36, 4d10, 5s2, 5p2. Lead atomic number 82, xenon 54, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p2. That is the electron configuration of the 4th A group elements. In all elements, outermost cell consists of only 4 electrons. 2s2 2p2, 3s2 3p2, 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2, 6s2 6p2. So all elements also called as a fourth A or 14th group elements. Fourth A or 14th group elements are carbon family. Due to the presence of outermost shell consists the only 4 electron, that is also called as a fourth A or carbon family. Once again, the differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called p block elements. Fourth A group elements outermost shell differentiating electron enter into the p orbital, that is also called as a p block elements. The fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements belongs to fourth A or 14th group elements. Those elements present in the p block of modern periodic table is called fourth A or 14th group elements. The outermost valence shell consists the only NH2 NP2 electron configuration. The general outermost electron configuration of the fourth A group elements is NH2 NP2. So number of s orbital consists the 2 electron and number of p orbital consists the 2 electron. Total outermost electrons are 4. That is the total outermost valence electrons number equal to the group number. So carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements outermost shell consist the only 4 electrons. So it is also called as a fourth A group elements are carbon family. Next another one, general characters. That is the in fourth A group elements, carbon, silicon is the non-metal, tin and lead, germanium and tin is the metallites and lead is the metal. That is the here is the in fourth A group elements. In fourth A group elements, metal and metallic nature. Carbon, silicon is the non-metal. Non-metals means that gain of electrons. The tendency of any atom gain of electrons is called non-metals. Next one, the tendency of any atom loss of electrons is called metal. Next one, metallites means that both of nature, metal nature and non-metal nature. That is also known as a metallites. In fourth A group elements, carbon, silicon is the non-metal, germanium, tin is the metallites. Next one is the lead is the metal. In any group, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases. That is the in fourth A group elements. Top to bottom, non-metallic nature, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases due to the presence of atomic radius increases. Next one, in any period from left to right, non-metallic nature increases and metal nature is the decreases due to the presence of nuclear attraction forces is strongly attraction to the outermost shell. Next one, atomic radius. In fourth A group elements, carbon to lead atomic radius increases because of number of cells are increases due to the presence of carbon atomic number 6, lead atomic number 82. So atomic radius in fourth A group elements increases. Next one, melting points and boiling points. In fifth A group elements, carbon to lead melting and boiling points is the decreases. Melting points and boiling points is the decreases and lowest melting point is the tin. In fourth A group elements, lowest melting point is the tin, that is the stannous. Next one, carbon, silicon elements having the high melting points and boiling points. In fourth A group elements, carbon, silicon, two elements having the highest melting points and boiling point due to the presence of gained molecular structure. Due to the presence of gained molecular structure or gained molecular structure, carbon and silicon having a gained molecular structure. So it having the high melting points and boiling points. Next one, the highest electronegativity of the elements is in fourth A group elements is carbon, remaining all elements having the same electronegativity. In fourth A group elements, carbon having the highest electronegativity elements, remaining silicon, germanium, tin and lead elements having the same electronegativity values. That is the general characters of the fourth A group elements. Here is the in fourth A group elements, carbon, silicon is the non-metal, germanium, tin is the metallite and lead is the metal. In any group top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases. But period left to right, non-metallic nature increases and metal nature decreases. Next one, melting points and boiling points in 4th A group elements, carbon to lead decreases. Carbon silicon elements having the high melting points and boiling points due to the presence of gained molecular structure. Carbon and silicon forming with the gained molecular structure. Example, diamond. Next one is the silica, that is also known as a gained molecular structure of carbon and silicon. Next one, the highest electronegativity of the elements in the 4th A group elements is carbon. Remaining all elements having the same electronegativity values, that is the general properties of the 5th A group elements. Next, another one, catenization. What is catenization? 2 marks question. The self-linking of same atoms forming with long chains and ring system is called catenization. It's called catenization. Catenization means that the self-linking of same atoms, the self-linking of same atoms forming, the self-linking of same atom forming long chain system and ring system is called catenization. In 4th A group elements, carbon is the highest catenization power in 4th A group elements, that is the carbon forming with the long chain system, bonding carbon bond carbon forming with the 4 long chain system. Next one, ring system, benzene since that is also known as a ring system, that is the catenization ability. Next one, catenization. Catenization means that the self-linking of same atoms, that is the one type of elements, self-linking of same atoms forming with the long chain systems and ring system is called catenization. Self-linking of same atom, that is also known as a one type of element forming with the long chains, carbon bond carbon bond carbon bond carbon. Here is the same elements bonding to form of chain system, that is also known as a chain system, and ring system, carbon 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 forming with the ring system, that is also known as a catenization ability. In 4th A group elements, carbon is the highest catenization ability. In modern periodic table, carbon is the highest catenization ability. Next, another one, allotropy. The phenomenon of the element's existence having 2 or more physical forms, 2 or more physical properties and having a same chemical property is called allotropy. Is called allotropy. Allotropy means that the phenomenon of the elements existence having a 2 or more physical properties or 2 or more physical property or 2 or more physical forms and having a same chemical property is called allotropy. For example, in 4th A group elements, carbon silicon is the non-metal, germanium tin is the metallites and lead is the metal. That is the allotropy. The phenomenon of the elements existence, the phenomenon of the elements existence having 2 or more physical properties and having a same chemical property. That is the outermost shell consists of only NH2 NP2 electron configuration. That is the same chemical property. It is also called as a allotropy. There is the carbon forming with the 2 type of allotropies. Carbon forms 2 type of allotropy forms. That is the first one, crystalline allotropies, and the second one is the amorphous allotropy forms. That is the first one. Crystallines means that those are existence crystals structure like that salts. Crystalline structures, crystalline allotropy, example diamond, graphite, fullerene. That is the Buckminster fullerene. That is also known as a crystalline allotropy forms. Crystalline allotropy forms are, first one is the diamond, second one is the graphite, next one Buckminster fullerene. That is the crystalline structure. Next one, amorphous. Amorphous means that the powder nature. Like that, here is the charcoal, wood charcoal. Next one, lamp black. Next one, animal black. That is also known as a charcoal, wood charcoal, lamp black, lamp black, lamp black. Next one, that is the amorphous. Amorphous means that the powder nature. Example, coke, coal, charcoal, wood charcoal, animal charcoal, lamp black, that also known as a amorphous. Here is the carbon forming with the two type of allotropic nature. Allotropy means that the phenomenon of the elements existence having two or more physical forms and having a same chemical property, it is also called as a allotropy. In fourth A group elements, carbon forming with the two type of allotropies, that is the first one crystalline allotropy forms, second one is the amorphous. Crystalline allotropies, crystalline means that the crystal structure. Here is the crystalline allotropy forms are example diamond, graphite, fullerene, Buckminster fullerenes, that is the crystalline allotropy forms. And the second one is the amorphous. Amorphous means that the powder nature. For example, coke, charcoal, wood charcoal, animal charcoal, lamp black. Next one, lamp black, animal charcoal, coke, coal, charcoal, wood charcoal, that is the type of the amorphous. That is in amorphous example. Remaining structure of diamond and graphite, fullerene. Next one, silicon, silica structure. Next one, preparation of silicons and silicones. Next, how is the uses of silicons and silicone, and next class we discuss about the structure of diamond and fullerene and graphite. Today we are going to discuss about the general characters of the fourth A group elements, that is the melting points and boiling points, metal and non-metallic natures, and atomic radius. Next one, ionization potentials values. Next one, cationization ability. Next, another one, allotropy forms. Next one, carbon forming with the two type of allotropy forms, that is the first one crystalline allotropy forms. Next one is the amorphous allotropy forms. For example, crystalline forms are the diamonds, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. Amorphous means that the coke, coal, charcoal, wood charcoal, animal charcoal, lamp black, that is the amorphous. Next class we discuss about the structure of diamond and graphite and fullerene.